So, what if I told you that one simple shift, just a change in perspective, could totally transform your marketing and make your business pop in a sea of competitors? Seriously, it's not some kind of gimmick. It's about the very real power of seeing your business from a brand new angle. Today, we're diving into the tangible, bottom line benefits of aerial photography. Let's get to it.
All right, so let's be real. Every single business out there, including yours, is up against the same wall. The world is just saturated with marketing, with competition. So the big question is, how do you make your voice heard? How do you make sure your work actually gets seen?
That's the million-dollar question, right? Because standing out isn't just about having a great product anymore. It's about how you present it, how you make people stop and pay attention. So what if the answer was, to literally rise above all that noise? And that's exactly where aerial photography comes into the picture. We're talking about using drones to grab these incredible high-res images and videos from way up high. It gives your audience a view they've probably never seen before. And this isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about giving a fresh, genuinely captivating, and honestly, super informative look at what you do. Okay, so how does this new perspective actually help your business? Well, first things first, it massively elevates your brand. When people see you using drone technology, it immediately sends a message. It says you're innovative, you're professional, and you're creative. And that is a powerful statement to make no matter what industry you're in. And what's so cool here is how all these benefits just stack on top of each other. You see, you're not just making one cool video and calling it a day. No, you're building this whole library of awesome content that shows off what makes you special, that impresses customers left and right, and that really cements you as the expert, all while your competitors are stuck on the ground. Let's switch gears a bit, because this technology does way more than just look good. It has a real, direct impact on your bottom line by making your whole operation smarter and way more efficient. We're talking about working smarter, not harder.
This slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? I mean, think about the old ways of doing things, like site surveys or inspections. They were always slow, super expensive, and honestly, a logistical nightmare. Well, drones completely change that game. They're fast, they're incredibly accurate, and this is the big one. They collect a ton of valuable data that helps you make smarter, faster decisions. That saves you both time and money.
Okay, so you've leveled up your brand and you're working more efficiently. The next crucial piece of the puzzle, your customer. And this is where aerial photography becomes an absolute game changer for building trust and turning happy clients into your biggest fans. Just imagine for a second that you're the client. Instead of someone just telling you how a project is going, you're shown it with these clear, compelling visuals from above. That level of transparency is huge. It doesn't just communicate progress, it proves your credibility and shows off the final results in a way that is just, wow. And really, this is what it all boils down to. This quote here gets right to the heart of it. Nothing builds trust faster than transparency. When you can give your clients clear, comprehensive visual proof of the amazing work you're doing, you're not just closing a deal, you're building a rock-solid, long-term relationship. So, with a killer brand, super efficient operations, and happy customers, what's left? Growth. Because bringing this technology into your business isn't just about doing what you already do, but better. It's about fundamentally expanding what you could do. By weaving drone imagery into your work, you basically unlock a whole new level for your business. Suddenly, you can offer these innovative solutions that your competitors just can't touch. You can create unique, custom services for very specific client needs. You can even spot new market trends from your unique vantage point up in the air. We've spent a lot of time on the why, so let's just quickly touch on the how. Because going from understanding all these benefits to actually putting them into practice, well, that requires one more really important thought. First, let's just nail down the main takeaway here. This is not some artistic choice you leave to the marketing team. As we've seen, aerial photography is a strategic business tool. It's a powerhouse for growth that boosts your brand, your productivity, and your customer relationships all at the same time. And here it is, the final, critical piece of advice. To get all these amazing benefits, you have to do it right. The source material couldn't be clearer on this. Working with skilled, certified professionals is completely non-negotiable. That's how you guarantee every single project is safe, legal, and done to the highest possible standard. So we'll just leave you with this question to think about. After seeing how a simple change in viewpoint can impact your brand, your efficiency, and your growth, what new heights could your business reach if you just adopted a fresh perspective?